Hello there. My name is Ian. I'm a student physical therapist at Regis University, and today I'm going to talk to you about pain and what exactly it is. So at its core, pain is an unpleasant sensation and our emotional experience of that sensation that's associated with tissue damage. Its purpose is to allow the body to react and prevent more damage from happening. So basically, it's a survival mechanism that we've had for thousands of years, and other animals share it as well. The experience of pain is different for everyone, and there's different ways of feeling and describing the pain, so this all makes it a little bit difficult to define and treat. When we feel pain, a signal is sent through nerve fibers to the brain for interpretation. This signal is first detected by receptors in our skin and other tissues like our joints and muscles, called nociceptors. Different types of pain are transmitted through different nerve fibers. For example, placing your hand on a hot stove or stepping on a tack is called fast pain, and these signals are transmitted through A delta fibers. On the other hand, that throbbing or achy pain that you experience a couple hours after spraining your ankle, stubbing your toe, or getting a bruise on your hand or something like that, that kind of pain is transmitted through C fibers. So the way you can think of this is that A delta fibers are kind of like a multi-lane highway right up to the brain, and C fibers are more like a busy city street. So no matter which route they go, they all end up in the same area of the brain called the primary somatosensory cortex. This area interprets the pain signals and activates other areas of the brain depending on that information. So a perfect example of this is putting your hand on that hot stove. That signal's transmitted through your primary somatosensory cortex. You're realizing it hurts a lot, and then that activates your motor cortex, which turns on your muscles and gets your hand away from that hot stove as quick as possible. So all of what I've just talked about is under the umbrella term acute pain, something that has a specific cause and a specific reaction. There's another type of pain that I'll touch on briefly. It's called chronic or persistent pain. This type of pain is felt longer than what is expected for that type of injury, or it may be spontaneous and not have a specific physiological cause. One explanation for this is termed central sensitization, or that the receptors and pain pathways are highly sensitized throughout the central nervous system. This may happen after a significant injury that caused the receptors and neurons to be highly active for a long period of time, which decreases their overall pain threshold, or the threshold that they take to activate that pain signal. This high sensitivity means that a normal, non-painful stimuli, something like the touch of a hand on your arm, or walking into a room and experiencing a small temperature change, those can be interpreted as painful. So this is a relatively new area of pain management, and science doesn't exactly know why this occurs. So hopefully there's a lot more conclusive research that comes out soon that deals with the proper treatment of this type of chronic pain. In summary, pain is just a survival mechanism to detect something that is injuring us and to either get away from it or do something about it. I hope this video deepened your understanding of what pain is and how we react to it. Once again, my name is Ian, and thank you so much for watching.